Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, after the completion of last poem of Flamingo book, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, today I am going to start the new chapter of your Bistas book, and the name of chapter is On the Face of It. This chapter On the Face of It is written by one of the famous English author, or her name is Susan Hill. Susan Hill was born on 5th February 1942 at UK. She was an English author of fiction and non-fiction works, or she has written many novels, or her novels are very popular in the history of English literature. Some notable works of Susan Hill are The Woman in Black, the famous and important creation, and The Mist in the Mirror. This lady, Susan Hill, struggled in her life or faced a lot of challenges, or finally got many awards and many prizes and occupied many important positions in her life. She got Somerset Maugham Award in 1971. She also got with Bread Nobel Awards in 1972. And apart from these awards, she got many prizes in different fields of literature for her excellent contribution. Or dear students, this particular lesson On the Face of It, she has written to highlight, to tell the problems of one isolated, one disabled person, and she tries to tell that how the physical disability of a person leads to depression, leads to loneliness, leads to isolation, or how the physical disability of person makes him hopeless, because that the person who is physically disabled is ignored by the society people, treated negatively by the society people. The person who is physically disabled, or this story On the Face of It is about two physically challenged and physically disabled people, or the story rotates about these two important characters One is Mr. Lamb, an old man who has lost his one of the legs in bomb explosion, or having tin leg now. But this man, Mr. Lamb, is having a positive ideas. He reacts very positively with the people. He never thinks that what the people are saying and thinking about him. He never thinks that how the people are treating negatively to him. He never thinks that how the people are misbehaving with him. Even the children used to call him Lammy Lamb. But this man never reacts negatively. He always reacts positively. But another side, another character is a 14-year boy, or his name is Mr. Derry, who is not mature enough, who is not so mature, or the negative treatment of people and society hurts his feeling. Or the reason is that particular 14-year boy his one side face disfigured and burnt by acid. Only one side of his face was burnt by acid. Or due to that his face looks very ugly. He looks very ugly. Or due to his ugly face, the people used to hate him, they used to dislike him, or they don't want to talk with him. So this type of negative treatment, this type of comment, and this type of behavior of people and children and of the society makes him upset. Wherever he goes, the people used to make distance. They used to run away from there. Even the people used to pass negative comments. Or this hurt the feeling of this 14-year child who is not very much mature. It hurts the sentiments. Or he finally concludes that because of his burnt face, because of his ugly face, the people used to make distance from him. So it is better to live alone. It is better to spend a isolate and a lonely life and to live alone. The boy decided to do. So means one side the man, Mr. Lamb's one leg was, he lost his one leg in bomb explosion, or presently he is using the tin leg, and this boy, Mr. Lamb, has the problem of acid burn. His one side of the face was burned due to acid. Or both have physical disability. But how their physical disabilities brings closer to them, brings near to them, dear students, we have to discuss in this story. How one physically challenged and physically disabled person is having positive attitude of life, or how another person, another boy, Mr. Derry, how he has negative opinion about his life, how he is hopeless, how he is having negative thoughts in his mind. regarding his life, regarding the society, regarding the people, because people never treated him positively. This made him upset. We have to discuss in this lesson. Or dear students, actually this particular lesson is a one act play having three scenes. Or in this particular lesson, dear students, the story starts that it is Mr. Lamb's garden. Mr. Lamb has a big garden, or his garden is opened for everybody. The gates are open for everybody. Or many children of the locality, they used to come, the people of the locality, they used to come and they play and they talk and they comment on Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb enjoy with them, play with them, or never reacts negatively with them. Actually, one day when Mr. Lamb was sitting in his garden, or at that time, one boy, 14 years means Mr. Dairy, he stealthily, secretly, he climbed on the wall, or he secretly entered in the garden of Mr. Lamb. Or he was thinking that nobody was noticing him, nobody was observing him. He didn't enter in the garden through main gate, but he climbed on the wall. He jumped over the wall and he came secretly, he entered in the garden secretly and thinking that nobody was noticing him. But as he jumped, as he entered in the garden, he was noticed by Mr. Lamb. He at once objected and said that he should mind that there are wild apples. At once the boy, Mr. Dairy, was completely surprised. Or finally, he started running back. He decided to leave his place. But Mr. Lamb stopped him. And very soon he understood the negative thoughts which were in the mind of that boy, Mr. Dairy. Or he tried to encourage him, he tried to remove the negative thoughts which were in his mind. Or he tried to tell him the positive things of life, or during their conversation, dear students, Mr. Lamb, to fill the positive thoughts in the mind and to remove the negative thoughts from his mind, and finally, due to the positive approach of Mr. Lamb, Mr. Dairy started thinking positively, or finally he became a close friend of him. Or when he decided to go and inform his mother about this new friend, but unfortunately when he returned back from his house, he found that Mr. Lamb was lying dead on the grasses, as he was trying to pick up the wild apples from the branches of the tree. Or when he climbed on the ladder, he slipped and he had fallen on the ground, and due to that he died. But overall, finally you can say, dear children, keep positivity and of person and positive attitude of person any can change the mind and mood of another person. So the positive attitude of Mr. Lamb changed the nature and changed the negative mind of Mr. Dairy. So this is all about this lesson, and in next video, dear children, we will discuss about line by line. You will write the summary of this lesson. Thank you, dear children.